So I come outside and my beautiful wife has got the hold on, those things. What are those called? The loppers?
I don't know.
She's out here murdering this holly bush. And you were telling me an interesting story about holly bushes. You don't like holly bushes.
I hate holly bushes.
You hate holly bushes. But
for a reason. We had one when I was growing up that was right at the front of our porch. And I used to hide in it, like under it. And there were people that would walk down the hill that we lived on. And I had probably about 20 or 30 feet of opportunity that I would hide in this holly bush and I would shoot the people walking with my BB gun. But then I'd try to, like, getting in was always easier. I don't know why, but then I'd try and get out and I would, like, get murdered by this flippin' holly bush on my way out, and so I hate hollies.
Hollies make bad sniper hides,
yeah,
is what Harmony's trying to say.
And if I ever shot you with my BB gun, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you need to repent for that.
Yes.
Yeah, she apologizes. How old were you?
Probably like 7, 8-ish.
7, 8-ish. So you knew better. You just did it anyway.
Yeah, it was funny because they would like it was a thick holly bush, and I just, you know, and so it was funny that, you know, it was a BB gun, not like a pellet gun.
Right.
So it would
like
just
a daisy.
Bing them, and
right.
they would, you know, and I was in the holly bush going, hee hee.
Nice gloves.
Bear.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, that's my sniper holly bush story.
Sniper holly bush.
BB sniper.
Yeah. So you're gonna save all this down here to make a ghillie suit out of, so you can continue to shoot people?
No.
Okay.
Those days are over.
Okay. Good job.
Thanks.
So you just, while you're murdering holly bushes,
right?
What did you find?
So there was a big rock
right there,
right here, and I just flopped it out and landed it, and I'm like, wait, there's something like in that rock, and we just looked, and it's a bear.
This is not staged, and a buffalo. Look at that.
How did they do that? And like arrows.
Wow. Don't show this to, like, the people. Do not let the government know. Don't shut this whole place down.
That's
wow,
really cool,
we need to wash
though.
that off and see what the deal is.
Yeah, because there's more. Like, I wonder if that was a big...
That's cool. I'm sprayed off with a hose.
Okay.
Watch out. It's part of something because there's a sun in it too. And it's definitely rock. It is not concrete. It's not cast. There's definitely an arrow, a couple arrows, and a sun.
I'll take a picture and send it to...
Yeah, I don't know if it's like a novelty thing or what, but I mean, look, it's a rock. It's definitely a rock. It's not concrete, so it's not cast. Like somebody did that intentionally, and look.
But I mean, it's pretty, like...
Yeah.
I mean, like, this is rougher. Like, I could see doing that with, like, a chisel.
Right.
Or something. But this seems like...
Yeah, I know. It
almost
seems
like it was like.
Yeah, it seems like it should be cast,
Right.
but it's not.
I wonder what that is.
I don't know. What is that? Looks like a little letter T. You're my buffalo.
That's cool though.
That is very cool. Mm-hmm.
All sorts of cool stuff.
All sorts of cool stuff.